What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and things are looking a little bit different. So my friends, I know I have been away for a couple of weeks. We're going to speak about that. We're going to speak about my plans going forward, a few changes that we may see over the coming weeks, over the coming months. And I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of an update into, what's been going on. First things first, things are looking very, very different. I mean, this isn't my usual room. I got a log cabin built out the back. Anybody who's following me over on Instagram will be aware of this. And so this is the new office. I am no longer working off of just a little MacBook. I now have, a full PC setup. I have 2 monitors. I'm in a wooden cabin. It's pretty cold right now. I need to get some heating. But yeah, hopefully the production quality is about to be brought to a new level. But I know what you're thinking. The audio sounds terrible. Sadly, right now, I am still working off of this blue Snowball microphone. And it's a little bit echoey in this room because I haven't, soundproofed all of the walls yet. I do have a Rode Procaster right here, but I ordered a Go XLR and I got sent a faulty one. So I had to send it back. So I'm waiting for that to be delivered again. And then we will have a Rode Procaster and I will get some soundproofing up on the walls surrounding in this area, so the sound quality will get a lot better. Also, I am now on different recording software and I'm going to be using different editing software as well, so if things seem a little bit different, it'll all regulate relatively soon. But guys, I gotta be honest, it feels good to be sitting in front of the camera again. I'm going to be honest as well, I just recorded this video before, okay? I edited and everything. It was about 20 minutes long and I watched it back and I just wasn't happy with how the video came out. So I'm going to record it again. I'm going to go back to being myself, and instead of, going off notes, it's not really my style. We're just gonna freestyle it, baby. So right before we do get into the video, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friend, if you're new in here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. So where have I been at? Well, my friends, I needed a break. Short and simple. There are so many reasons for this. I think we all know that the market took a big red turn, okay? And I think it affected a lot of stock market YouTubers, a lot of people in the stock market in general. As a YouTuber, that led to a lot of hate coming my way, especially as a YouTuber who speaks about speculative stocks and growth stocks. It's like, when things are going good and everybody's making money, they love you. But when things go bad and people start losing money, they hate you. It's the cycle. It is what it is. There's a lot of rational humans out there who don't. But there's also a lot of irrational people who, can't take responsibility for their own actions. That was one very small piece of the puzzle, in all honesty. Look, I only started on YouTube about a year ago, and the whole reason for this channel was to share my entire investing journey, just give my thoughts and opinions and document everything. I've never claimed to be a professional or some sort of stock market guru. I just love making these videos, and for some reason, we've gotten quite a few subscribers. But the point is that over the last year, I have poured my heart and soul every single day into this YouTube channel, okay? And it caught up with me. For the large majority of the past 12 months, okay, I've probably been working 80 to 100 hour weeks. And I mean, it was all well and good. It was all fun. I was very happy to do it. But ultimately, it caught up with me, okay? In January, I triple uploaded pretty much every single day of the month. And coming out of that phase, I have to admit, I was pretty run down. A lot happened in January. The channel grew a lot. We got a lot more people in the Discord. And my workload got absolutely crazy. And so starting February, leading into March, I was feeling really, really run down. And keep in mind, this began even when the markets were still going good. I was just feeling really tired all of the time, basically. But we pushed on. We kept trying to make videos. Markets got really bad, okay? And when that happened, there was this shift on YouTube in general. And a lot of hate came my way. Also, a few of our stocks that we speak about an awful lot on this channel have performed very poorly. And a lot of hate came my way. And, that's all well and good. That's fair enough. But at the end of the day, guys, I mean, I open up my phone and look at YouTube Studio constantly. And when you are reading negative comments multiple dozens of times every single day, eventually it starts to take its toll. And I know that I have a lot more support than I do people who are leaving those negative comments. But it really does get to you sometimes. At the end of the day, guys, I'm just a person, I'm just a regular guy like anybody watching these videos. I'm not a robot. I'm not just a YouTuber. I'm a person. And people go through good times. They go through bad times. Sometimes they're productive. Sometimes they're not. And I guess that's all part of the journey. And this is my first time going through a phase like that since we started on YouTube. And one of the main reasons I'm re-recording this video is because the last thing I want to happen is for me to come off as, unappreciative of what I have. Because don't get me wrong, I think what's happened with this channel is absolutely insane, and it's gone far beyond my expectations ever could have genuinely comprehended. It has completely changed my life, and it's insane. And I have so much love for every single person who supported this channel, whether it's been from day one or whether it's been over the last week or two. Genuinely, so much love. I just want to make sure that's known. On top of that, there was false allegations thrown my way, and because of that, there was a lot of defamation of character being thrown around. And I mean, look, I don't care what people have to think of me. You can hate me, you can dislike me, you don't have to watch me, you can do whatever you want, but I just don't like being judged off of completely false premises, essentially. And I got to a stage on YouTube where I felt like every second video or every second day I was defending myself, when in reality I didn't need to. And that was so draining, day in, day out. And again, that was my first time really dealing with something on those lines. And it is what it is. I now know that's not going to stop. That's the nature of YouTube. I've really taken a step back. I've looked at some bigger YouTubers, not just in the stock market scene. I've looked at people on Twitch, across all social medias essentially, and this is a very common theme for pretty much everybody. It's part of the job, you know. There's an awful lot of perks to this job, but there's of course some cons as well. It is what it is. You gotta learn to deal with them. You gotta get on with it. The other thing is, guys, okay, I mean, this has consumed my life. I'm living in Ireland. I think everybody knows that at this stage, and in Ireland, if you're not aware, we're still in a full lockdown, okay? I can't go to the gym, I can't go to golf. We still have a 5 km travel limit. Pretty much if you're leaving the house, you're just going to the shops. So I've had no outlets. So, you know, all I really was I'd wake up, I'd look at the markets, I'd look at stocks, I'd try to find new stocks, I'd look at the articles on the stocks we already own, I'd look at the price action, I'd be in the Discord, I'd record 2 videos, I'd look at stocks again, I'd be in the Discord, I'd look at some stocks, and then I go to bed. And that was all there was to it, and that is not healthy. Spending all of your time on pretty much any one thing in this life is not a healthy way to live. Now, thankfully, Ireland over the next 2 weeks or so will be lifting some restrictions. So, you know, I'll have some outlets again. I can go to the gym, I can go to golf, I can see a few friends, whatever it is. But it was all of this happening all at once. It really hit me, guys. But I have learned many lessons, okay? Some of them are mental, and it's just, the fact of the matter is I'm gonna have to grow some tougher skin. It's a different story on YouTube, you know, when you're 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100k subs than when you have 1,000 subs. It's such a different world. It's insane. It's something I'm gonna have to start to deal with, but it brings me on to what's going to happen next. As of next week, we're going to get back to uploading somewhat regularly. Now, I'm not sure what that means yet. I don't think I'm ready for uploads every single day yet. My goal for next week, honestly, is 3 to 5 videos, and compared to what I've done in the past, that's not an awful lot, but it's getting back out there. You know, sometimes the hardest thing to do, especially when you take a break, is just taking that first step. So that's what I want to do next week. So you can expect some uploads next week. Who knows what it's going to be on? We're going to have to wait and see. But from Monday or Tuesday, we'll have to see. There'll be a video. Aside from that, I'm going to be starting up a completely new project. Now, I'm not going to say exactly what it is just yet, but you see I'm in a log cabin. I have a really nice computer. I have 2 monitors. Some of you guys may be able to guess. If you follow me on Instagram as well, you already know. I'll more than likely make an announcement on that sometime next week, but we'll have to wait and see. But essentially, it's something that's completely unrelated to stocks. So again, it means that, you know, I'm not just going to be focusing on stocks all day, every day. It was all well and good for the year that was in it, but now I need to, you know, diversify my time a little bit. Like you diversify your portfolios, I need to diversify my time. But through taking this break and, you know, taking some time to chill out, there was still a lot going on. I mean, obviously we had to get all the contractors in. There's some behind the scenes business stuff going on that needs to be taken care of. There's always those kind of things, but I mean, for the large majority of it, you know, I took it easy, and it gave me a lot of time to, you know, clear up my mind, really sit back, evaluate everything that's happened over the last 12 to 14 months or so, and just think about the future and what direction I want to take myself, this channel, and, you know, my career in general. So there more than likely will be some big changes coming up, but they will be for the best. And that's all I really want to say in today's little update video. Again, this is just me, you know, sitting down to record, editing and uploading a video. Just the basics again, just to get myself back into the swing of things. But you will see a stock related video over the next, you know, 1 or 2 days, all going well. If you guys watch this video all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me. I know I say that every video, but I want to stress it in today's one, especially if you've watched till the end. After, you know, I took this break, if you're still standing with me, if you're still looking forward to more videos to come, genuinely, You mean the world to me. You've helped me out so much. It's your support that's gotten me to where I am today. So just thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you did enjoy the video, again, please consider hitting that juicy like button. Drop me a comment down below and subscribing if you're new around here, my friends. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I really do look forward to seeing you all again soon. Peace.